So I booted up Windows, I went to Configuration Center. So I have Configuration Center here on Windows 11. It's hidden in installing in our settings, and go to themes, personal themes, settings, and then themes, and then underneath there is this guy. I always put it on, so I have the most important icons and stuff on my desk. That's all I need, and all the rest stays clean. On here we have encryption, which is the word in Dutch, apparaatversleuteling. I need to be able to set it off, right? How to tell the system to set it off. So what does it say here? Control panel, block, describe, bitlocker is on. I don't get all this at all. So bitlocker, describe encryption and encryption for your security. Turn off bitlocker is not there. Yay, right? Don't see it anyway. And if I make a backup, it's gonna do that. Don't need that. Now the other thing I have in my mind, wasn't there if we go here and this PC, this is locked, right? So right mouse click, options, security is that, okay. Quantum, hardware, extra. I did see something about a bitlocker somewhere. In Windows 11. Manage bitlocker. Did I miss something? No. BitLocker. There is something about the BitLocker in here. Privacy. So we are on privacy and security. So this one is on. This one is off. It's saying that the decryption is being executed. You can still use your device, but I think I need to wait because this thing is moving quite slowly indeed. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. Unlock this thing, because you saw in the other video that in Calamares I can't do anything with it. I can't split Windows into 2 bits. So that's necessary. I would like to dual boot this, partially for work and partially for fun. So computer, oh, wrong. I actually want to go to Schijfbeheer. So this thing is busy. So encrypted with BitLocker should say later on BitLocker gone. And then maybe Calamares can tell to the partition in 2 parts, one Windows or one is ArcoLinux. So I'll let this thing do and stop the video here.